Oh, good day, Tubes. Guess what? Guess what? Oh, look, a parcel. And the bloke says, I think it's a pair of shoes. I said, I opened it. So I thought it would be a... Ah! Ooh, what the hell's that? It's a pair of shoes box. Freaking hell, Tubes. That's got me freaking worried now. That's got me worried. Right, Tubes. Right, you seen it in real time, Tubies. Tubey Woobies. No wonder he says he thought it was a pair of shoes. He thought it was a pair of shoes, look. Dickie's footwear. And look what's inside, Tubes. Hey, what do you think to that then, Tubies? Oh, he's had me freaking worried for a minute there, Tubes. Had me worried, Tubes. I thought, freaking hell, they sent me a pair of freaking shoes. I don't know, Tubes. What do you do with them? Oh, freaking hell, Tubes. Look at that, Tubes. Yes, Tubes. Oh, I was just worried, would my battery fit, Tubes? Yes, hang on a minute, Tubes. It does look, because it's yellow and it's starred. Let's just try my battery, Tubes.
Hang on.
Tricked you.